Remember that really nice chair that DXRacer sent us? I really liked. It's the mesh one. It actually lives in my other studio because I spend more time sitting there than I do here. They were really excited that we liked it, and they said, hey, we want to send you a little extra bonus something. This is a cup holder that somehow attaches to the chair. Kind of seems like a weird idea to me because chairs move and stuff, but I tried to find a video of how to install this thing and I couldn't find one, so I thought, let's make it. Obviously it has tape on it, so you gotta have that small, sharp unboxing knife. Yeah, that thing is so sharp. So sharp I end up cutting the box instead of the tape. I'm guessing that's pretty much it right there. And some tools and hopefully instructions. Boy, you could hold like a Sprite or like a Red Bull in there, but you get really any bigger than that, not much is fitting in there. That's not very big. But we're gonna run over to the other studio, install this thing on the chair, show you how to do that, and then we'll test it out with some drinks and see what can actually fit. Now the Mesh series chair here is a pretty new chair in their series, and you can kind of tell when you look at this instruction manual, it's talking about moving the cushion and getting to these spots to install it. I'm guessing this has not been updated for, but it shows in the back here, scan this code to watch the installation video, which only takes you to DXRacer.com. Doesn't take you directly to a video. Is there videos? Modular parts maybe? So this is $22, we found out with 0 reviews. If I click on it, can I find a video? So it shows it behind your armrest, which makes sense because I can line this up basically with these holes or these closer holes back here. It shows a very skinny Coke bottle, and then it shows you the same steps from this, and no video. Okay, I don't think the video exists, so I guess it's a good thing you're here. I kind of feel like it's gonna be awkward. I will install it once here and then I'll try grabbing it, but I feel like it should be in front of the armrest. They give you 2 bolts and 2 nuts. I don't really think the nuts are gonna be necessary because these are threaded. So let's just install this. We've got a beautiful arrangement over here from girthiest to least girthy, different drinks you might try. Obviously, this thing looks pretty small to start, so pretty easy guess the hydro flask is not gonna fit. How about a 32-ounce water bottle? Nope. One of the mini Nalgene bottles. Still nope. So now we're down to a refreshing 12-ounce can of Sprite. Not sponsored. So I'm thinking about if I'm gaming here, I got my chair, I got my drink. Let's say I've taken 2 sips off it, and then I'm ready to set it down. Now DXRacer, obviously they make chairs. They don't make desks. At least they don't make desks that I know of. So why would they make a cup holder for your desk? But it just makes sense to me to have it somewhere near your desk for a couple of reasons. One, out of sight, out of mind. If I'm trying to drink more water and I found a water bottle that fit in there, I'm not really gonna think about it if I'm gaming here, oh, I need to drink some water. It'd be better to have it somewhere in my visual range. 2, having it on a chair, you move a chair around. Oh boy, I don't know what's happening, I'm scared. So like right now, I've taken 2 sips, so luckily it's not too bad. But what if you did something smaller? What if you had a Red Bull? Red Bull fits, and it's actually staying more stable than I thought it would between the turns. Oh, it's bouncing a little bit. I mean, you might not easily spill it there. And I'm guessing that's why the cup holder is so small. Is because if it was any bigger, maybe things would fall over and spill. Maybe you'd be more worried about that. I wish it had either additional cup sizes to choose from, or it had some sort of graduated cup holder, kind of like vehicles do, where they have the big spot for like the Hydro Flask, but then a smaller spot down lower. I don't drink a lot of cans of soda. I never drink Red Bull. This is John's. I usually drink water. I do sometimes drink a can of soda. This isn't gonna really help me with anything I would have here. Maybe you're someone who drinks Coke Zero all the time, like Jacksepticeye, I don't know, and you just always wanna have this here at hand. Let's at least see if I do have that there, and I'm gaming, and I reach, I guess your muscle memory would eventually get to where you know it's there, and it is pretty easy to grab. You kind of have to dodge your armrest though, so that might be tricky. If you had a straight desk, it'd be okay, but with the L-shaped desk, it's kind of a weird spot, but you could grab it. And you could find the spot it lands. But again, I think if I had to choose a cup holder, even this cup holder, I'm tempted to take it off the chair and find a way to mount it to the desk somewhere. I think it's a neat addition that they think about that for the chairs, but it's probably something very few people buy. And maybe if they came out with a better idea, maybe it was something with a cup holder that had like rubber handles in it, kind of, that would like hold on to your drink a little better. 22 bucks, you at least saw how to install it now, if that's why you came here and you didn't know how to install one. So what do you think? Where do you keep your drinks? Do you keep them on the desk haphazardly, right by your keyboard, waiting for an accident to happen?
Dude.
Maybe you do. I don't know. But hey, thank you for coming out and being here with us today. Let me know what you think in the comments about this, and I'll see you in another reality. Oh my God. There's more. They're still spawning. Where are they spawning from?